What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use ShareX to upload to your custom domain with a very quick and easy to use PHP script. Let me just show you what I mean. So if I open up ShareX and I go to take an image, it'll automatically take the image and it'll upload it to ss.yourdomain.com images, and then it'll create a random name for the image as well. So whenever you see people posting screenshots with their own domain and stuff, this is basically what I'm going to show you how to do today. So obviously you're going to need to own a domain of some sort to be able to do this. And all you need to do is access the files on your web server and put one little PHP file in there. So to do that, you're going to need something like WinSCP or FileZilla. I'm actually hosting mine locally, so I don't need to do that. I'm just going to open up File Explorer and you'll see that I'm hosting a web server here, htdocs. And in the root of my web server, I've got up.php. So if we open that up and have a look, we can see in here that it's a very simple PHP script. There's not much to it at all. You only need to change a few things in here to get this up and running. First of all, you need to change your domain. Second, you need to select a directory within your web server if you want to put your images in there. So in my case, it's images. So all my images are going into here that I upload. And lastly, you need to create yourself a long secret or password or key or whatever you want to call it in here. I would suggest using something quite long for this. Just look online at password generator or something and put something in here. I'm not going to change it for the purpose of this tutorial. I'm just going to keep my default for now, keep it how it is. But as it says here, you need to put one in if you want to prevent people from uploading to your screenshot server. So this is going to be unique to you. This is going to be what's going to stop other people just uploading screenshots to your server. So once you've got the up.php dumped in your web server, that's all you really need to do. Next, what we need to do is open up ShareX and then go to destinations and then custom uploader settings. Now this is how the configuration should be set up. In the URL, you're going to put your domain information in here. So if you want to create a subdomain, you can. So ss. and then your domain, whatever it is, .com/up.php. You need to put the up.php in here, otherwise it's not going to work. It's not going to know what to do. And then the other thing that you need to put in here is the secret. So in the name column here, put secret and then value. That needs to be whatever you've put in your secret here, your passcode that you set earlier. Whatever you put in the quotations here is what you need to put in ShareX in the value column. And that's what's going to allow you and nobody else to upload to your screenshot server. And lastly, you just need to put ShareX in the file form name. And then if you hit test, you'll see that it's uploaded an image. And if we click that image, there we go. We got the ShareX logo. So just to test that this key thing does work, if we just delete the value in secret and do test again, no post data received. Obviously, anybody with a link to the image can see it, but nobody can actually upload apart from you. Once you've got all that configured, you can X out of here. You can start playing around with your capture task now. So you want to select upload image to host. And then after upload task, you can have copy URL to clipboard, so you can just paste it to people in Discord or whatever, and then open URL as well if you want to have a look at it. So if we just test that now, I'm just going to take a screenshot of my desktop. It's done that, it's opened it up. As you can see here, here's the custom domain that we've got here. And if I just delete this and I hit paste, you can see that it's copied the URL to clipboard as well. And that's it. It's as simple as that, guys. If you've got any questions, be sure to hit me up in the comments down below. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you in the next one.